the age of the Milky Way is 13.7 billion years, and the universe is a bit older, according to the Big Bang theory. So, these two data does not go together. Because if universe is expanding and the Milky Way it's a bit younger than the beginning of the universe, no formation of galaxies is possible in an expanding space. This has to be clear. There is no need to have a PhD in physics to understand this. Let's take, for example, our solar system, okay? The stability of the solar system is based on the dynamic stability between attraction, let's say beta, between gravity force and between centripetal forces. Okay, let's make a small really to understand this good, huh? We have a sun here, we have a sun here, we have an earth here, and gravity force Fg between two stellar objects is equal to the Fc. You see? Okay. So Fg minus Fc is 0. Gravitational force minus centripetal force is 0. What does it mean? This means that our planet Earth is rotating around the sun and no energy is used. Okay. Rotation of planets and stars and galaxies does not use any energy. This is the principle of dynamic equilibrium in the universe between gravity and centripetal forces. Now you imagine that universal space would expand, which means also that, let's say that the local space of our solar system would expand. What would happen? With the increasing of the distance, the centripetal force would become bigger. F, let's say, radius, yeah, is increasing. This means that Fg becomes smaller of Fc. Is that clear? That means that our planet would fly away in the universe. Fly away from the sun. This is it. There is no objection to this fact. in an expanding space, formation of galaxies would not be possible. Okay, what does it mean? Are we intelligent enough to put this together? This means that universe is not expanding. Expanding of the universe is utter nonsense. Okay. And as far as I know, that the Nobel Prize was also delivered for this. What? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. What kind of stupidity is this Big Bang? And I have to confess, I don't have nerves anymore to listen to these videos on the on the YouTube which they talk about Big Bang. I don't have nerves anymore. And the famous professors, very famous people are talking this nonsense, this utter nonsense, how everything has started, how time started running, and all this incredible nonsense. Can you imagine? 100 years, for 100 years, we are teaching at top universities, almost 100 years, but actually Big Bang is 100 years old. We are teaching this utter nonsense. And hundreds of peer-reviewed articles in the high-quoted journals, in the high-rated journals was published about this utter bullshit. Big Bang, it's a shame. It's a shame on human intelligence. Okay, so I hope that in my lifetime, I'm now 66, I hope that in my lifetime this nonsense will be abolished from physics.